Alright, what the fuck is a derivative? You want to know, so sit the hell down. A derivative is basically the rate of change, how fast one damn thing is changing with respect to another. Mostly we talk about how a function changes with respect to x. Why the fuck would you care? Because everything moves and changes. Your heart rate, the slope of a hill, the stock market, you idiot.
Predictable question. The derivative quantifies instantaneous change. Imagine watching an object move. The derivative tells you its exact velocity at an instant. Is that not exquisite? Perfection in a single value.
Fucking perfect. So if you have a equal sign fx, the derivative f prod x or dy/answers, if I tweak x by a tiny microscopic amount, how much does y twitch? Think of it like the slope of the tangent line at a point. Not the second bullshit over an interval, but the true goddamn immediate slope.
Consider the limit definition. Do you not revel in precision? Phi x equals sign lim as h trained 0 of fxh minus fx. That fraction measures average change over a tiny segment. The limit as h vanishes yields absolute, instantaneous change. Why settle for approximate when you can achieve perfection?
Want a fucking example? Fx equals sign x squared. The derivative is f prech x equals sign 2x. So at x equals sign 3, slope is 6. Why the hell does that make sense? Because if you bump x from 3 to 3.001, comma y, increases roughly 6, asterisk 0.001010.006. Derivatives let you predict tiny changes like a goddamn clairvoyant.
What about rules? Power arises from rules. The derivative of a sum is the sum of derivatives. For products, use the product rule. Fg2 equals sign Fg plus Fg plus. For quotients, the quotient rule. And for compositions, the chain rule. Essential. Do you grasp the elegance?
And yes, we curse, but math doesn't care. You also get higher derivatives. Second derivative tells you acceleration or concavity. When is f pi positive? That indicates the curve is curving upward, like your pathetic attempts at improvement. Ask yourself, how could derivatives change the way you model the world? What everyday rate of change are you ignoring that could be measured, predicted, or controlled?
Ponder that. If you could compute the derivative of your life choices, would you alter them? Perfection isn't a goal. It's the design hidden in change. What will you differentiate next?